kid. If you're over 60 and can't pass these 5 simple balance tests, your risk of falling increases dramatically. But the good news is, you can improve your strength and stability starting today. As men age past 60, one of the biggest hidden health risks ISNT always visits is losing balance and muscle strength. Many older men believe that feeling unsteady is simply part of aging. But in reality, it often happens because key muscles become weaker over time. The muscles that protect your balance the most are the glutes, hamstrings, calves, and the stabilizing muscles around your hips and core. When these muscles weaken, everyday actions like standing up from a chair, walking on uneven ground, or climbing stairs can become difficult. That's why today we're going to go through a few simple tests and exercises that can help older men rebuild strength and improve balance safely at home. Let's start with the first balance test. Stand near a sturdy surface like a kitchen counter or balcony railing. Lift one foot off the ground and try standing on one leg for 10 seconds. Keep your back straight and your eyes looking forward. If you feel shaky or can't hold the position, that usually means your stabilizing muscles need strengthening. The good news is that practicing this simple movement every day can significantly improve balance over time. Now let's move to the second test, called the tandem stance. Place one foot directly in front of the other as if you were standing on a narrow line. Hold this position for about 15 seconds. This movement activates important muscles in the hips and legs that help control stability while walking. Many men over 60 find this surprisingly challenging, but training this movement regularly can improve coordination and confidence while walking. Next comes one of the most important muscle groups for balance, the calves. Stand while holding a railing or counter for support and slowly lift your heels off the floor. This movement is called a heel raise. Hold the top position briefly and slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat this several times. Strong calves help stabilize your ankles and reduce the chance of tripping or losing balance. So another important factor affecting balance is posture. As men age, the head and shoulders often begin to lean forward. This shifts the body's center of gravity and makes balance worse. Sit on a chair and gently pull your chin backward while keeping your back straight. At the same time, squeeze your shoulder blades together slightly. This simple posture correction exercise helps strengthen the upper back and improve spinal alignment. Now let's strengthen the legs with a sit-to-stand exercise. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms forward slightly and slowly stand up without using your hands if possible. Then slowly sit back down again. This movement strengthens the thighs and hips, which are essential for maintaining independence and preventing falls. Finally, let's add an upper body movement. Stand facing a wall and place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Perform gentle wall push-ups by bending your arms and pushing back again. This strengthens the chest, shoulders, and upper back, which also play an important role in posture and stability. If you practice these exercises regularly, you can rebuild strength, improve balance, and move with greater confidence even after 60. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Wise Health 6.0, where we share simple health tips designed specifically for older men who want to stay strong, active, and independent.